Hi everyone. Well guys, today I would like to narrate a short story. And this is about when does the opportunity knock the door? Exactly, you heard it right. So why delay? Let us go ahead and look at the short story. Well, this story is about a guy named Rahul. One day, a train was approaching a small town. In that, this guy named Rahul was actually standing over there with a huge suitcase. Well, he seemed pretty normal, but what made him unusual was whenever people conversed with him, instead of responding in a normal tone, he used to sing. Like, for example, if anyone tells him, "Hey, have a good day," instead of just saying, "Good day to you too," he used to just clear his voice and say, "Good day to you too." Well, I'm not a singer though. So, in that way, he used to respond. And people started passing comments like, "What's wrong with him? Why can't he speak normally? Why does he even do this?" So days passed on and weeks passed on. Suddenly, he appeared in a big stage show giving his performance. Exactly. After the performance, everyone assembled and reporter started asking questions to Rahul, stating, "Well, you seem to be really good singer. So how do you find it?" You know what he started answering? He stated, "Well, I'm really glad and thank you so much." Everyone was shocked. Even the reporter was shocked because he was thinking that he would answer in a singing format. Rather, he answered very politely and with a very good tone as well. And you know what? To his surprise, that is to the reporter's surprise, he started asking questions like, "Oh, well, I understand that you always respond in a singing format, but how come you are answering in a normal tone?" Then he laughed and said, "Well, Mr. Reporter, one thing which I wanted to say was, I feel the need for me to answer in a singing format is not required anymore because I have attained what I wanted for." Then this reporter, out of curiosity, he started asking, "Well, I understand that now you're performing in a stage show, but how did you even get this, opportunity?" Then he smiled and said, "Well, you know what? Everyone used to actually throw tantrums, pass comments saying what sort of a person I am and why am I just singing and can't speak normally. But you know what? This singing only gave me this opportunity." So one day what happened, I actually went to grab something in a local market and a music director approached over there in order to grab a newspaper. He saw me singing and right at that moment, he actually walked up to me and stated, "Well, Mr. Boy, I see that you have a pleasant voice. Why don't you come to my office? Then we can discuss on future prospects." I was so happy. Then I said, "Sure, sir. That's the reason we are able to converse now." Then again, out of curiosity, this reporter asked, "Well, sir, I heard a lot about you. I also heard that you carry a huge suitcase with you. What is it? Can you please explain us?" Then he says, "Just a moment, buddy." He actually goes to the behind the screen and gets the suitcase and then tells him, "Well, instead of me telling you what is in the suitcase, why don't you actually go ahead and see?" Then he opens the suitcase and shows him. You know what does he find? He actually finds a huge stone and a hand carved message in it. You know what is it? Well, it says, "Practice. Practice, my boy, practice every second. For you never know when your chance will come. For you never know when your chance will come." Exactly, this statement grabbed my attention in so much that I started feeling and started working on it. And I felt, yes, by exhibiting my skills everywhere, we never know when the opportunity knocks the door. And that's why I never gave up until date, Then reporter understood that he was so inspired by the statement. But then he also had another question. So his another question was, "Well, sir, to my knowledge, if you sing in that way in public, people would start passing comments and all. What is your take on it?" You know what Rahul responds to it? He says, "Okay, listen. Do you even know who am I until you even came here? Or do you even know me before 3 months or 4 months? No, right? Exactly. We wouldn't remember each and every person that we come across on a daily basis, right? But for us, for people to remember, we should do something really unusual. That's what I have done. And you know what? I believe exhibiting our skills is very much required because Whenever we travel, we do not know whom we are traveling with. We do not know everyone by their profession. We also do not know whom we are actually sharing our cab, bus or train. Maybe they are in a great stature in the organization, but for us to be remembered by others, we should be unusual. Only then people will get to know us. So I felt, forget about negative or positive. I was really happy when people started recognizing me and remembering me. Where I was so happy when people were stating, oh, that person, he just sings. Just imagine if they wouldn't see me by singing, would they even recognize me? Exactly. And that's where I felt, yes, I'm getting recognition. So why should I even stop? Maybe I'll get a good opportunity one or the other point of the time. But I'm not going to give up. And since that day, I kept on singing. And I'm so glad now that, yes, I got a chance. I got a platform to exhibit my skills. And then reporter finally says, sir, I must say, well, as you stated, I didn't know who you were. But after seeing your effortless, trials, I understand that consistent practice is very much important and required. If we have to excel, if we have to prove what we are, we should never ever give up and practice every second. As it is carved in the stone, practice every second. You're right. And thank you so much. So guys, the moral of the story is pretty simple. Practice every day. No matter what you listen, no matter how many hurdles you come across, practice every second, because for you never know when the opportunity knocks the door. So always be prepared and keep practicing. Consistency. Exactly. Success will come to those people who consistently practice by not giving up hard work. And you know what? By consistent efforts and practice, we can surely achieve one day or the other. But never ever give up and never ever get disheartened. As I said, yes, the story of Rahul is pretty, it's clear that practice and perseverance will never ever, leave a stone unmarked. So I wish all the best, a great success, and keep practicing, keep giving your best, no matter about the output. Thank you so much.